How to add a featured channel on YouTube channel on iPhone or Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to feature a channel on your YouTube channel using your phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Currently, there is no way to add a featured channel within the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app on our iPhone or Android phone. So what we need to do is open up a browser and you just want to navigate to studio.youtube.com. Now, if when you go here, it opens up the YouTube Studio app, you can quickly fix that by uninstalling the YouTube Studio app and then going back to studio.youtube.com in the browser. And then once you get to this screen right here, after logging in, select Continue to Studio under Get the App. Once it opens up, it'll be the desktop version of the YouTube Studio. So from here, all we need to do is zoom in into the left menu and select the little pencil under the monetization symbol. This will bring us to the channel customization section of the YouTube Studio. And from here, select Home tab in the top menu. Then once you're on the Home tab, scroll to the right and select Add Section. From here, select Featured Channels near the bottom of the list. And first, we can name our section. And I'm just going to say Awesome Channels. And then after that, we can search channels on YouTube. Once you've searched a channel, to add it to your featured section, simply select the check next to it. And if this video helps you, consider featuring Gauging Gadgets on your YouTube channel. Once you add a check mark, you can search for other channels if you want to, by just selecting the checkbox next to them. Once you've added all the channels you want to add, scroll to the right and then just select Done to save it. Now we've added our featured channels list, and as you can see, it's on the bottom. To save it and actually make sure that it is displayed on our channel, select Publish in the top right. Then you can select View Channel. It'll open up YouTube. And then if I scroll down, you can see the featured channel list right there. All right, so that's how you feature channels on your YouTube channel using your iPhone or Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.